6 Best Ways to Earn PayPal Money in 2023. PayPal is one of the best popular and recognizable online payment platforms around the world. According to statistics, there are over 380 million PayPal accounts worldwide as of 2022. There are numerous ways to make money with PayPal. While some methods offer fast cash payouts, others require starting a more serious business. And if you want to increase your monthly income and make money online, leveraging PayPal to make extra money is another best option. So here are best legit ways to money using PayPal. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell if you enjoy our videos. Number 1. Try survey websites. Answering online surveys isn't usually worth it because most survey sites have high redemption minimums, so it can take weeks or months to get paid. But not all survey websites have unrealistically high redemption requirements. You can try other survey websites like Inbox Dollars. This platform also pays you through PayPal and has a $5 sign-up bonus. You can also earn free PayPal money while you watch TV or in your spare time. These survey websites let you quickly earn PayPal cash. Number 2. Cashback reward apps. Another way to get free PayPal money is to use cashback reward apps and websites. These platforms partner with brands and pay you to shop with cashback. Most times, cashback you earn is redeemable for PayPal cash and gift cards. If you want to earn passive rewards, Dosh is the best app because you don't have to activate offers before shopping on it. If you don't mind activating offers and do most of your household shopping, then try Ibotta as their rebates usually pay more than Dosh. Finally, you can also upload most of your shopping receipts to Receipt Hog, even if you use Ibotta, to slowly earn rewards on them. Just remember to only buy products you normally buy. Reward apps are great, but they don't help you save money if they encourage you to shop for products you don't really need for yourself. Number 3. Start freelancing. As a freelancer, you're usually responsible for tracking your billable hours and invoicing clients every now and then. But, while some clients might pay you directly to your own bank account, PayPal is still the payment method of choice for many freelancers and small business simply because of its availability and simplicity. There are numerous freelancer job websites where you can look for work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr cater to most types of freelancers. By contrast, you can also try websites like TextBroker for freelance writing or Guru for programming. Making it as a freelancer takes time because you ideally want several clients to diversify your income and also gradually your rates to charge clients more per hour or job. But if your goal is to make money online or even start a new career, freelancing is your best bet. Number 4. Shop online and earn PayPal cash. Many popular shopping browser extensions automatically apply coupon codes and let you earn free gift cards for shopping. For example, Honey and Capital One Shopping both help you save at thousands of retailers and redeem gift cards with your cashback earnings. But if you want to earn real money for shopping, gift cards aren't for you. Thankfully, several other shopping platforms let you cash out through PayPal after you earn cashback. Note, it's worth checking all shopping platforms because cashback rates and retailers are subject to change. Number 5. Sell stuff online. If it's been a while since you did some spring cleaning, there's a chance you're sitting on a stash of potential PayPal cash. Selling stuff online is a side hustle that's existed since the internet began. But many online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Craigslist aren't always PayPal friendly. It's worth exploring other marketplaces like Amazon and eBay because they let you access millions of worldwide buyers. Additionally, getting paid with direct deposit shouldn't be much different than getting PayPal cash in terms of how you access your funds. Ultimately, selling stuff online is a quick way to make some extra cash on the side. Once you run out of inventory to sell, you can always try side hustles and buy merchandise to resell online. Number 6. Rent out assets for money. Most methods of earning PayPal cash require putting in some effort. But if you have a busy day job or already work a part-time job, taking on another side hustle might be impossible. Thankfully, one way to earn passive income through regular PayPal payments is to rent out assets you own. There are numerous rental marketplaces where you can rent things to people in your city to make extra cash. Renting out assets for money is typically easier in larger cities because you have access to more potential renters. In conclusion, while PayPal moneymakers can pay above minimum wage and even become a full-time job, choosing the right PayPal gig depends on your income goals and skills. So, consider how much money you want to earn per month, how many hours you can work, and what type of jobs you might enjoy before picking a way to make money with PayPal.